So guys, good morning, good morning. Um, Luckily I have a spring, a very small spring that has been here for a lot of years before I was even born, before I came here to live. It's nothing where you can jump off and chuck off and dive or anything like that, but good thing about it, it never goes dry. So see, we are taking up a pan of water to water or catch crop. So see, wait Tajay, I'm gonna put this something in it. See, it's a very clean, clear spring. We do not drink it. Some persons that do some farming in the nearby area sometimes, well, some years ago when it was cleaner and was more it was treated, they used to take up the water to cook. And persons from in the dry time, which is normally March, April, we have a drought season that time. Persons from all over the community would come here to take up this water and take to their home. So we use this to wash, wash clothes, wash the dishes. It kind of look dark right now because other persons were here already dipping up the water and they never take it up so good. But trust me, it's very clean, pretty water. As I said, many persons from all over come here whenever we have a dry time, when I have no rain, no water in the tank, etc. So I'm heading back. So as you can see, it's just a few steps away. And the river or the stream or the spring has a name. So yesterday I bought this plant food. It is called 2020. Honestly, it is the only thing I've used ever since I started planting. It makes my crops very fluffy, healthy, and pull this in, please. And it doesn't die easily. So it does a lot of good to the plant. Also know that you cannot use this heavy and you cannot use it every day. What I do is sometimes use it 3 times a month. As soon as I use this 2020, trust me, they start blooming all over again like a brand new baby. Just burst it now. So I don't really have a good estimate. Just when I started, they said don't bother use a lot. But I know there's a correct way to it. And that is it. And this goes a long way. It is sold in, this is the retail version. It is sold in the container for persons who just want to buy it in that way. So what I do now is stir so that everything is dissolved and it is not settled at the bottom. Just a few seconds of stirring. So see, it have a pale blue color, and this is what I use. You can pick it up now. So these that I showed you yesterday, what my son is going to do now is just sprinkle it. Just a little sprinkle, no heavy water. I know we do not have the water filter that are the plant water filter as yet, so we do this by hand. So as I said, We have a coconut tree, so whenever the branches fall off, we just, so you see, it just give it some little dripping, just some little dripping. Nothing to soak them too much because they are still small, still tiny, and we don't want to overwater them. Okay, so the balance, my son started watering already from this morning, so the balance that is left in the bucket, I'm going to water my flowers that are on my veranda. So this video is not really for the country people who already know what yam looks like. This is for the foreigners. So this is what a yam plant look like. I eat yam. I live in the country area for over 25 years, but honestly, I do not know much about it. My partner does this. This is another tomato plant that is fighting for its life. It has been here for months now. Sometimes we honestly don't remember to water it because we don't really come over to this side of the backyard. So honestly, we don't really remember to water it. But I know it gets few showers of rain. Same actually, just a survivor of my own. So as soon as, but what really happened is the construction work has caused us not to know whether to continue planting in this area, how far the foundation would come, etc. So we never want to put a lot of effort in it and then we have to move it like the others. So since we are replanting, then you'll see that we take good care of the plants, we love vegetables, and just as I said, continue the journey with me where I show you a lot of more green vegetables and others. So guys, I'm now showing you the retail seeds, and retail I mean for persons who can't afford to buy the tin, the large pouch, etc. It is sold in parcels like this at a very reasonable cost. Sometimes $300 and something, sometimes $200 and something, depending, but it's not expensive. And you get a whole lot from this. So persons who do farming and plant catch crops, when you reap, it's a good amount to take to the market, or some persons do them for their own personal household because it's more cheaper than to buy at the market. Some do this type of planting to sell to the supermarkets, hotels, restaurants, etc. So as I said, this is the tomato. A whole lot of seeds give you a whole lot of vegetable. And this is similar to the tomato. It is the sweet pepper. So it is pink in color, actually, pink reddish color. This, my favorite color, I'm sorry, it's a seed. This is the cucumber. So I planted the cucumber already, but as I said before, I had to move them, get rid of them because it was in the vicinity of where I was doing some construction work. This is callaloo. It's the first time I'm seeing a callaloo seed. It's dark in color. I am a callaloo lover. I will eat callaloo every day. So this is dark in color. It's black. And this also gives you a whole lot of callaloo. In time to come, I'll show you other seeds. See some drop out of the bag. So this is how small they are. So once you take care of it, water it, give it right plants, food, ingredients, you are good to go. So actually, my partner is the one who takes care of my flowers to make them look like something at times, to make them really look beautiful. He put a lot of interest in it. He's a plant lover. And as the saying goes, if a man love flowers and him love dog, he is actually a good person, a kind-hearted person. See, all one dog laid down here, so I don't even know who this dog belongs to. But I saw the dog them come on my yard all the while and sleep on both verandas. Them actually just moving themselves. So my partner and I and the kids, we love dogs. So we just normally feed them and them just move in as soon as the other four come and then take up residence in my yard. So this plant, I remember I bought it from a principal. Want to clean up the principal, and I separated it. It's getting so big. I didn't buy it in this spot, but it's also a beautiful plant, and I bought these as well.